Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by matching timeline settings to the footage. Set the project FPS to the camera's native rate or higher to preserve temporal detail. Once done, trim to the range you'll slow, then right-click the clip and choose Change Clip Speed. Enter the percent for slow motion, for example 50 for 1/2 speed. Make sure to enable render cache on the timeline so previews play smoothly while you adjust the smoothing options next. Now you'll switch the frame interpolation method. With the clip selected, open the inspector and under Retime and Scaling set Retime Process to Optical Flow. This generates new in-between frames. Then go to Project Settings and set Motion Estimation to Enhanced Better. If you have Studio, test Speed Warp for superior results. Add speed points using Retime controls and pull the ease handles to create gradual ramps. These steps finish by rendering the slowed segment to inspect true quality. Playback in real time after rendering cache or an export. If you see ghosting, twinning, or warping, switch motion estimation modes. Try nearest, then enhanced, then speed warp to compare. Sometimes raising timeline FPS or reinterpreting the source frame rate helps. If artifacts persist, render a short test with different settings or create a higher quality proxy. These quick tests will reveal the best combination for clean slow motion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.